Young, driven, and making a difference where it matters most. Meet an award-winning extension and advisory practitioner from Walter Sisulu Municipality in Bizana, whose passion for farming development is changing lives. For Khomotjo Machidi, supporting farmers is more than a job, it is a calling. She says her greatest strength comes from witnessing the farmers under her guidance grow from one level to the next. Recently, she took us to a thriving poultry enterprise that tells a story of determination, mentorship, and progress. What began as a small project with just 20 broiler chickens has now transformed into a structured support. The farmer has expanded operations and is now receiving support to rear day-old chicks as well as layers. This remarkable growth has not gone unnoticed. The poultry enterprise has earned awards both at district and provincial level, a true reflection of hard work and effective support systems.
I actually feel grateful that our farmers do grow. The previous year, we entered for the Extension and Advisory Awards, where we actually won first place at the district level under the candidate category, and we went to the provincial level and we won second prize.
Mrs. Kholeka Mahlasela praised the department's role in her journey, explaining how she was nurtured from the earliest stages of farming into a substantial and confident agricultural entrepreneur. She says the department did not only provide guidance and advice, but also practical support, including vaccines, chicks, and feed, tools that helped her turn her dream into reality. Today, she remains deeply grateful for the continued assistance that has helped her grow.
Farming poultry ndiqale pha ngo-1980. Abalimi bayafika njalo bazojonga iinkukhu zethu, bacebise ke basichasa ngokutya besingeke sikwazi uafoda ukuzondla thina. Sincedwe nani besichasa ngokutya namayeza.
Stories like these remind us that when government support meets dedication and hard work, rural economies can thrive and communities can prosper. Lo myalezo niuphathelwe liSebe lezoLimo.